Hi, this overview video will introduce you to the Ingest Data solution. Ingest is a full-stack data platform that allows your teams to set up self-service data ingestion and analytics with minimal effort and resources. This lets your business teams easily access data from various sources for their reporting and operational needs without needing any technical help. With Ingest, our data modeling layer built on SQL allows you to automatically consolidate, transform, visualize, and deliver your data via email, Slack, APIs, and more for a streamlined data experience. In this video, I'll walk you through how to first connect your data sources, then to unify and model your data from the different sources, before finally creating reports for dashboards without writing any queries at all. Our goal is to build reports and analytics using data from different sources. You can see how this data model's lineage connects data from three sources: a SQL database table, a MongoDB collection, and Google Sheets. We begin by connecting our data sources. Ingest has integrations with various analytics and relational databases, as well as other software services. By whitelisting IP addresses or using reverse tunnels, connecting this Postgres database is just a matter of providing my database user details, and we're done. We can now ingest data from other sources into our own database that we connected. Using data models in Ingest, I could just paste a URL from Google Sheets to automatically load some data, but I'll use a MongoDB source for a more interesting example. Here I'll set the weekly schedule on Monday for a full import of this Mongo data into my PostgreSQL database. Now I have a data model, which is a virtual table of my Mongo data. The model detected an address field that contains JSON data, and I want to extract specific values from the JSON for my reports. This is simple with my data model, where I can add calculated fields, which is a sort of virtual column, to cast this string data into a JSON data type, and then to extract values I want from the JSON field, such as buildings, coordinates, and streets. You can see in this side-by-side comparison that the transformations work perfectly, with the data model creating virtual fields to extract values from my Mongo data, which I can now join to other tables and models. I can also add relationships for my Mongo model to other models I created, which indicates how fields are connected to each other and will automatically generate a database diagram of my models and their relationships. If you're wondering how I created models for my database tables, I just clicked Create Models from Data Tables here and selected only the tables I wanted to model. Much easier to manage than dealing with all the tables inside a database. For power users comfortable with SQL, you get the best of both worlds here. Creating models from SQL allows you to build more complex models on top of your base models required for reports like cohort charts analysis. These derived models allow you to join your base models together and pull out fields and formulas saved in your base models. With this, you can see the connection between the Mongo and data table base models in the lineage. I can also add measures to my model here, which are aggregations built on top of the model fields. Any reports that get built on this model can then be updated from a single place here by updating our metrics and definitions from this page. Once we've completed building our models and the relationships, we can build analytics and reports in just a few clicks. We generate a dataset by selecting the related models we want to provide to a given team, which allows your teams to have a drag and drop experience to build dashboards, reports, and to explore the full range of data that you have unified together for their easy access. This quick overview video is just a start of what you can do with the Ingest Data platform. Get in touch with us at holistics.io to find out how you can fully set up your team's analytics workflow and stack in minutes. See you soon!